let's make my new favorite side, tortellini pasta salad. If you've watched my videos for any length of time, you know that I love pasta salad. It's like one of my favorite side dishes. And recently at a restaurant, I had something similar to this. I'm changing up quite a few things, but a tortellini pasta salad where we're using filled tortellini as the base of this salad instead of just, say, corkscrew pasta. It's filling and it's delicious, so it could be a side or a meal. But let's get started. And the first thing we got to get ready is our dressing. Now this is a vinaigrette, but it's going to have a little bit of a pesto influence to it. So we're starting with 1.5 cups of basil that I blitzed down in my little food processor, and it results in a small amount that it's going to be terrific in here. Yeah, so that's what 1.5 cups of basil breaks down to, maybe 2 tablespoons. Next up, 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of coarsely ground black pepper. And because this has that pesto influence, there's going to be some nuts in here. I'm using 3 tablespoons of macadamia nuts that I broke down in a Ziploc bag using my rolling pin. For our liquid components, we're starting with 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Give this a quick mix first before we add our olive oil. And finally, 1/2 cup of olive oil. Get a little taste here. Ooh, I like that. All right, let's start building our salad. Now the base of this tortellini pasta salad is tortellini. You can use any kind you want. I'm using 3 cheese tortellini that I boiled up earlier, drained, chilled down. This is 32 ounces of tortellini. To this, I'm going to add 6 ounces of whole pitted black olives. Next up, 12 ounces of pepperoncinis that I've kind of sliced up. 12 ounces of marinated artichoke hearts. 1/2 of a medium red onion that's been chopped up. 1.5 cups of, I'm using grape tomatoes. You could use cherry tomatoes, and I've sliced them in half. 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Next up, I have some fresh mozzarella cheese here. This is about 8 ounces, and I'm just going to tear this into pieces and toss it in here. Now, I never say this in any of my videos, but you know what? If you enjoy this video and you think someone else might, go ahead and share it with them. Maybe they're a pasta salad lover like me, like you. And also remember, any of these ingredients, you can change. You can put whatever you want in here. It's customizing it to your liking. Let's say you don't like cheese tortellini. There's mushroom tortellini. There's Italian sausage tortellini. Pick your favorite. If you don't like pepperoncinis, leave them out. If you want to add a meat component here, you could add some dry salami and give this a little bit of a mix before I add our dressing. I think it's really important when making this to chill that tortellini down after you've cooked it and drained it. To me, this is best as a cold pasta salad. Doesn't mean you can't make a warm one, but I like it cold. Got our dressing here that I transferred to a jar I had left over from some honey. Stir that in. Pesto vinaigrette. Oh man, this smells and looks good. What other sorts of things do you like in pasta salad? Or is there a special ingredient or something? Drop it in the comments below. I love to hear suggestions. There are times when I will take suggestions and incorporate them into future videos. I remember one time someone said, hey, what about making some Cheerwine barbecue sauce? I had never heard of Cheerwine. I didn't even realize it was a soda that was popular in the South, so I went and found some and made some terrific barbecue sauce out of it. So I love suggestions. All right, that is looking good. Let's plate some up and have a taste. I've got to say, that's a good looking pasta salad. Now let's get in here and get some pieces of as much as we can in the first bite. I know we can't get everything probably, but we'll try. Cheers. I may have said it before, maybe not, but I'll say it here. My desert island food would be pasta salad, and of all the ones I've made, this would be near the top of the list. That pesto vinaigrette is the perfect accompaniment to this. You get just little bits of crunch with the macadamia nuts that were in there. Obviously, more traditional pesto would have pine nuts in it, but this works for me. I am so glad that I had that tortellini pasta salad when I was out eating one night, because I've never used tortellini in a pasta salad, but from now on, there will be occasions, quite a few of them, when I do.